Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. We had completed the reading of our first chapter, right? And now we move on to the dictation words. That means the difficult words which we came across in the chapter. Okay. Now you have to open up your classwork copies. Leave 2 pages. After leaving 2 pages, on the third page, see, you will leave 2 pages like this. 1 page, 2 page. Okay. Now on the third page, on the first line, you will write down on the red line. That is the red line. This is your red line. On the red line, you will write down chapter 1. You will write down chapter 1. Now you get 4 lines, correct? Are you getting 4 lines? Yes. On that lines, on those lines, you are going to write down the chapter's name. What you are going to write down? The chapter's name. Maths' word, that will be in the center. You will write down in the center. Now you will leave 1 line. That means all the 4 lines will be skipped. All the 4 lines will be skipped, and then along with the margin, you will start writing dictation words. You will start writing dictation words, right? Now on the next line, write down number 1. Write down number 1. So the first word is collection. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-O-N, collection. You like to collect coins? Benjamin collected stamps. Carl collected coins. Max collected words. Collection means ikhatta karna, right? Now we will learn the spelling. How to spell collection. Ka. The very first sound is ka. That means C-O. Ka. Lek. L-E-C. Lek. Shun. T-I-O-N. Shun. T-I-O-N. Shun. So, how do we get the spelling of collection? Collection. Ka. C-O. Ka. L-E-C. Lek. Shun. T-I-O-N. Shun. Right? Now spell after me. C-O. Ka. L-E-C. Lek. Shun. T-I-O-N. Shun. Collection. Right? This is how small spellings get together and make a big word. It is not very difficult, but when you will break the spelling, you will be able to pronounce it, to spell it more correctly, and you will never make mistakes. Okay? Right? Again, let's revise the word. Ka. C-O. Ka. Lek. L-E-C. Lek. Shun. T-I-O-N. Shun. So, you will write down like this only. Number 1, collection, and then break the spelling and write. And when you will have your free time, in your free time, you will learn your spelling like this. Okay? Right? Now, moving on to the next word. Next word is A-D. Add. M-I-My. R-E-D. Admired. Now how we will spell this word? Add. The very first sound which is coming is add. So write down A-D. Add. My. M-I. My. R-E-D. Right? See how simple the spelling is of such a big word. Right? So what is the spelling of admired? A-D. Add. M-I. R-E-D. Read. Admired. Okay. Now admired, to observe something which makes you feel happy. Like MS Dhoni, when he's batting, you admire his batting? Yes, now he's going to hit a 6. Now 4. The way he stands, the way he walks. So, this is how we admire someone. And everybody was admiring Benjamin and Carl's collection. Correct? Okay, the next word. We come on to the next word is different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Different means, see, these two pens, they are different. One is red, one is blue. So, when the things are different, alag-alag hona. Different means alag-alag hona. Right? Now, how will spell? Come on. I need you to spell out. Think. What is the first sound coming to you? D. D-I-D. Fur. Double F-E-R. Fur. Ant. E-N-T. Ant. See? Different. Correct? How we will spell it? D-I-F-F-E-R. Fur. Ant. E-N-T. Ant. Right? Got the spelling? Yes. Moving on to the next word now. Edges. E-D-G-E-S. Edges. Edge. E-D-G-E-S. Edges. Right? Now what is edges? What do you mean by edges? See, you can see this duster. Everybody can see the duster. And this is the edge of the duster. किनार. हम किनार बोलते हैं ना, तो ये डस्टर के किनारे. आप लोग देखो, you can see the edges of your table. You're sitting on a table, right? See, you're having your copy in your hand, your book in your hand. These are the edges. These are the edges. So, how do you spell edges? E-D, edges. G-E-S, edges, right? Now, the next word is countries. C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S. Countries. Right? You know the spelling of count? C-O-U-N-T. C-O-U-N-T. Rees. R-I-E-S. Countries. Is it very easy? Yes. Now come on, repeat after me. C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S. Countries. Right? Okay. Now moving on to the next word. Unique. What is the next word? U-N-I-Q-U-E. Unique. What do you mean by unique? Special. You have a special dress. You have a unique dress which nobody else has. None of your friends have. You have a special compass which none of your friends had. You have a special pen. Nobody else has that special pen. And here in this chapter, who had a unique hobby? Who had a unique hobby? Can you remember? Max had a unique hobby. Why? Because he collected words which nobody else collected. Everybody collected stamps, coins, pens, books. But Max thought of a new idea and he collected words. So he had a unique hobby. Who had a unique hobby? Max had a unique hobby. Now how do we spell unique? Unique. The first sound which is coming is unique. Unique. Right? Q-U-E. Unique. How we will spell unique? U-N-I-Q-U-E. Unique. Once again along with me, children. U-N-I-Q-U-E. QUE, unique, right? Okay, moving on to the next word. Number 7.
क्यों बिना माइक की पढ़ा दी?
आवाज आ रही है?
नहीं तो बिना माइक तो आ रखा।
पॉज किया?
कैसे पॉज होता भैया?
चल लगा देती।
मोबाइल साइलेंट हो जाएगा।
ऑन हो गया ये?
इनसे पढ़ा रहा हूँ। इनसे पढ़ा रहा हूँ। ये सब रिकॉर्ड हुआ, मैं इसमें बता दूंगा।
चलिए, नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज laughed. LAUGHED, laughed. What do you mean by laughed? Laugh means हंसना, खुश हो के आप हंसते हो जोर से? Yes. So laugh means हंसना, correct? Laugh, la. The first sound la. LAU. Now G is silent. That is why GH, laugh, ed, ed, laugh. So LAUGHED, laugh. Correct? Okay. Now moving on to the next word, that is rapidly. Pronounce rapidly. Once again, rapidly. Rapidly means quickly, jaldi se. Okay. You all are writing rapidly with me? You all are writing rapidly with me? You all are writing quickly with me? Yes. So, rat. R-A, rat. P-I-D, pid. L-Y, rapidly. The very first sound coming to our ears, rat. R-A, rat. P-I-D, pid. L-Y, leap. Rapidly means quickly. Rapidly means quickly. Now moving on to the next word. Next word is magazines. Number 9. M-A-G-A-Z-I-N-E-S. Magazines. Okay, magazines means books. Magazines. India Today. India Today is a magazine. Outlook is a magazine. So the books which come every fortnight after 15 days or 20 days and which includes all the things regarding advertisement and all that, that is known as a magazine, right? So how will we spell magazine? M-A, get, G-A, get, zine, Z-I-N-E-S, magazines. Okay? Number 10. Newspaper. N-E-W-S, news, P-A-P-E-R, paper. What is the spelling of news? New. N-E-W, new. Make it plural. News. P-A-P-E-R, paper. Newspaper. Right? Come on, spell with me. N-E-W-S, news. P-A-P-E-R, per. Isn't it very easy? Yes. Come on, the next word. Dictionary. Dictionary. Can anybody tell me the meaning of dictionary? Do you remember? Max collected word from the dictionary. Dictionary means the book in which all the meaning of difficult words are given, all the meanings, right? So, dict. Number 11. Dict. Dictionary. Dictionary. Right? Now, dick. Very first sound, dick. D-I-C, dick. Shun. T-I-O-N, shun. Ari. A-R-Y, Ari. Dictionary. Got it? Yes? Okay, repeat once again after me. D-I-C, dick. Shun, T-I-O-N, shun. Ari, A-R-Y, Ari. Dictionary. Right? Next word is number 12. Copied. C-O-P-I-E-D. Copied. You all are copying the words which I am writing on the board? Yes. And you have already written the words, so that is the past tense of copy. Past tense of copy is copied. So, cop. C-O-P-I-E-D. Copied. Next is alligator. 13. A-L-L-I, gator. G-A-T-O-R. Alligator. Alligator, it looks like a crocodile, but it has a slight spines on his body, right? So, on its body. So, how will you spell alli? A-L-L-I, A-L-L-I, alli. Gate, G-A, T-O-R, So, alligator. Isn't it easy? Yes, very easy. When you break the spellings, it becomes very easy. Come on, repeat. Alligator. A-L-L-I, alli. G-A, T-O-R, alligator. Okay. Next. Crocodile. Pronounce it. Crocodile. Croc. C-R-O, croc. C-O-C-O, D-I-L-E, dile. See, all the C's are small over here. I am writing it with a marker pen on the board, so they are looking big. But when you will write it in 4-line copy, they will be small. They are not names of special people. Only names of special people are written as capital, correct? So, crocodile. C-R-O, croc. Co. C-O-Co. Dime. D-I-L-E, dime. D-I-L-E, dime. P-I-L-E, pile. F-I-L-E, file. B-I-L-E, bile. See, the sound, according to the sound, we can change the spelling, right? Here it is D. So, D-I-L-E, dime. Now, number 15. P-I-L-E-S, piles. The P is small over here, right? Piles is not a special name. It is not a proper noun. That is why P is small over here. Now, what do you mean by piles? Piles मतलब क्या? गड्डी बनाना. आप लोग गड्डी बनाते हो ना? नोटों की गड्डी बनती है, किताबों की गड्डी बनती है, पेपर की गड्डी बनती है, right? So, piles यानी गड्डी. Heap of things. Piles. Pile. P-I-L-E-S. Piles. Correct? Next. Separated. Separated मतलब अलग अलग करना, to sort out the things, right? So separate your Hindi book and your English book. Separate your pen and pencils. So you separate them means you keep them differently, अलग अलग रखते हैं, right? So separate मतलब अलग करना. Okay, now let's spell it. से, ऐसी से. प, पीए प. रे, आरे रे. टेड, ted, ted. Separated. Got it? Yes. Se, se. P-A, P, R-A, R, T-E-D, ted. Separated. Clear? Now, moving on to the next word. Arranged. A-R-R-A-N-G-E-D. Arranged. What do you mean by arrange? जमाना. सारी चीज़ें जमा के रखो. You arrange your books in your bag according to your timetable. You arrange your clothes in the cupboard. Yes. You arrange your books in the shelf. So arrange मतलब जमाना. Okay? Right? Now how will we spell arranged? The very first sound is A-R-R. Rain. R-A-N. Rain. G-E-D. Arranged. Okay? Next word. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. T-O-2. G-E-T get. H-E-R her. Together. Okay? Next word. Sorted. S-O-R-T-E-D. Sorted. Sort. S-O-R sort. T-E-D ted. Sorted. Now what do you mean by sorted? छांटना. Correct? Sort your pens and pencils. When your pen and pencils are mixed together, you are going to sort them, separate them. अलग अलग करेंगे. छांटना. Okay? Next. Continued. C-O-N-T-I-N-U-E-D. Continued. आगे चलना, चलाते रहना, कंटिन्यू करना. कंटिन्यू, पास्ट टेंस ऑफ कंटिन्यू इज कंटिन्यूड. ओके. कन, C-O-N, कन. T-T-I-T, new, N-U, new, E-D, continue. Okay? Now, iguana. 21. I-G-U-A-N-A. Iguana. Now, what is iguana? It is a big lizard with spines on its back. बड़ी छिपकली जैसा प्राणी है जिसके पीठ पे कांटे हैं. राइट? सो इग्वाना. इग. I-G, इग. U. Ana. A-N-A. Iguana. Right? Next word is arranging. A-R-R-A-N-G-I-N-G. Arranging. Now we had written down the spelling of arranged. Ed, ing, ing. It will be the same spelling, but the last word is ing. Ing, arranging. Ing, it is ending in ing. So we will write down ing, ing. Okay, now again. arranging, arranging. Correct? Next word. Butted. 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 What do you mean by butted? इंटरफियर, बीच में बोलना. आउट ऑफ टर्न, आपकी टर्न नहीं है और आप आके बीच में बोलते हो, दैट मीन्स बटेड इन दिस चैप्टर. अदरवाइज बटेड मतलब सिर से मारना, सिर से ठोकर मारते हो ना, ऐसे करके. सो दैट ऑल्सो मीन्स बटेड. बट इन दिस चैप्टर बटेड मीन्स स्पीकिंग आउट ऑफ टर्न. स्पीकिंग आउट ऑफ टर्न, बीच में बोलना. मेरा टर्न नहीं आया फिर भी मैं बीच में बोल रही हूँ. That means butted. Okay, but what is the spelling of but? B-U-T, but. B-U-T, but. T-E-D, ted, butted. Right? The next word. Grain. G-R-I-N-N-E-D. Grin. Grin. हंसना. मजाक में जब हंसते हैं ना, किसी की मजाक उड़ाने के लिए देख लेते हैं, अच्छा ऐसा हो रहा छुप छुप के जोर जोर से हंसते हो ना, किसी फ्रेंड की मजाक बनाते जब क्लास में, राइट? सो दैट इज नोन एज ग्रिन. नाउ हियर ग्रिन, G-R-I-N-N-E-D, ग्रिन. G-R-I-N-N-E-D, ग्रिन. Okay. Now one more word, that is difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference. Fark. You come across this word in maths, find out the difference between 10 and 6. That means minus. Okay. So D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference. Difference. Okay. Slithered. S-L-I-T-H-E-R-E-D, slithered. सांप. सांप को देखा कितना फुर्ती से भाग जाता है, आप पकड़ भी नहीं पाते हो, इतने जल्दी जोर से वो रैंक के भाग जाता है. दैट मीन्स स्लिपरी, मूव्ड इन अ स्लिपरी मोशन. स्लिपरी वे में जो मूव करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज स्लिदर्ड. हाउ वी विल स्पेल इट? स्ली, S-L-I, स्ली, S-L-I-T-H-E-R-E-D, slithered. Okay. So I hope now the dictation words are clear for all of you. Open up your first page and let's revise all the words together. Okay. Collection. The first word is collection. Admired. Repeat after me, children. Admired. Different. Edges. edges, countries, countries, unique, unique, laughed, laughed, rapidly, rapidly, magazines, magazines, newspaper, newspaper, dictionary, dictionary, copied, copied, alligator, alligator, crocodile, crocodile, pile, pile, arranged, arranged, separated, separated, iguana, arranging, arranging, butted, butted, grin, grin, difference, difference, slithered, slithered, continued, continued, right? I hope you all will practice the pronunciation and the spelling of these words. Yes, children? You will do? Yes. Did you get all the words? Are they clear? Are they difficult? No. When you break them into small spellings, they don't appear to be difficult. They become very easy. बहुत आसान हो जाता है जब हम breakup करके spellings उनको learn करते हैं. Okay? So, write down these words in your classwork copy in good handwriting, neat and good handwriting. Okay? You have a lot of time. You are not sitting down in the class that ma'am will erase the board. No. You can write down very easily at home in a neat and clean writing. Blue line to blue line. Just remember the lines, blue line to blue line, and when you remember this, your writing will automatically become very nice. Complete one alphabet at a time. What you do, you leave the alphabet halfway and you begin with the next alphabet. So you don't do that. You only complete one alphabet and then start with the next alphabet. And when you next letter, when you will write like this, I am sure that your writing will become very good. And remember to see, if these are two blue lines, make the alphabet, make the letter sit on the line. See, A, make him sit on the line and touch the top line. Remember, make him sit on the line and touch the top line. Now see, B, C. Make them sit on the blue line and touch the top line. Okay, finish.